Yeah, we are still continue walking in this beautiful mountain here in Jura, here in Switzerland. They call this mountain Jura Mountain. It's beautiful. It's very cold. It's negative 3 degrees. Yan po. Guys, please watch my YouTube channel. I'm always uploading my videos in my YouTube channel. Sobrang pagod maglakad sa snow. Sobrang kapal. Look. Sobrang kapal ng snow. Mataas pa. Kaya, pahinga muna tayo. Pahinga muna ako. Yeah, still continue walking. It's too tiring. There's a lot of snow now. Ayan po. Background natin dyan. Ang lalim ng snow. Ingat po tayo lahat. And I missed you. Lahat ng family ko and friends. I'm going to miss you all. Bye. Yeah, it's nice. Bonjour.
Bonjour, on a un doute sur disons la route du col du Nord-Chéru. Et de quel côté?
Ouais, alors vous voulez retourner à la route
Ouais.
ou aller au col?
Non, à la route.
La route, faut suivre la piste de ski de fond puis vous y arrivez par là-bas.
Ah,
you
d'accord,
see,
parce qu'on
I told you,
était- on
going
était,
there.
un peu trompé parce que c'était dit à un moment donné le sentier de raquette il vient là-bas, c'est 4 km, mais par contre, après les traces elles vont dans l'autre sens du coup. Je pense que c'est peut-être quelqu'un qui fait une balade plus longue.
Oui, alors c'est possible, mais alors pour la route, c'est par là-bas. Le parking est là-bas.
Il est là-bas au fond,
Oui,
d'accord. Ah oui.
exactement.
D'accord.
Merci.
Sinon, vous allez à la Givrine là-bas.
Ah oui.
On a fait un petit bout, hein, mais.
C'est un peu loin. Ouais.
Oui, merci.
Merci. Bonne balade.
Merci.
It's very nice.
You see, because there's two types of trees.
Ah, okay.
Then maybe go in the middle. Oh, here. Not on the face, here. People will get upset.
Okay.
You see the two types of tree before?
Yes.
The one in the places and the other one. They're not the same.
Okay.
There's different type of...
Guys, tingnan ninyo yung bahay. Naging ano na siya, rooftop na lang nakikita ninyo kasi puno na ng snow yung ano, ang haligi niya. Ayan po. So pauwi na tayo, tapos na yung walking snow natin. So ngayon, pumunta na tayo sa place kung saan tayo nag-park ng car.
Leaving.
That truck is the one who is doing this road to make it flat so that the people doing the ski, they can do the ski here, or else the road where they are doing the ski is not flat. So that's the one who is responsible to make the snow flat.
Going very high slopes.
Yeah.
They'll come up here.
Yes. See guys, and there, he's making flat the snow. That's the machine that's doing the snow, flatten the snow. Bonjour. Galing din niya. Yun guys, tapos na tayo sa walking natin. So uwi na tayo. Children, they are very happy to play this now. They did the luge. Very cute. Bonjour. Bonjour. We're happy to do the luge. We're going home now, guys. At least we had a very beautiful walk in the snow. And you see the kids are happy to do the luge. It's like that. They're very happy with the kids. You can go now. Galing niya. It's beautiful also here. There's the sun.
Ja, dat is
Okay guys, today we are going home. We are done in our rock shoes walking. Rocket walking, not rock shoes walking, I'm sorry. We are going home now.
I thought you wanted to do a sleigh like the children.
No, because I'm tired.
If you go with children, they're never tired to be sleigh. They always have energy.
Yeah, so are we going home? Thank you for watching. So are we going home?
It's the first time I do that.